morning guys, and welcome to today's vlog. So today is a super exciting video because I finally get to tell you more about AutoBrush for kids, and I'm so excited to finally be able to show you. We've had the products for a couple weeks now. We've been using them, really loving them, and specifically today I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the AutoBrush for kids upgrade products. And before we get into that, I want to go ahead and show you the whole unboxing experience with the new products. They went all out with the packaging this time. I've always been like impressed with their packaging and their technology behind their products, but this time around they not only made their packaging super eco-friendly, but they also made it so fun for kids to open up. The packaging now like makes noise when you open it up. It like plays a little song for them. It has the cutest little graphics all over it, and it's so much fun. So anyway, before we get started on the rest of the information about AutoBrush and everything, I'm gonna go ahead and insert some of the footage from us unboxing the products. Alright, good morning guys, and welcome to today's vlog. So we are starting out the vlog this morning getting Abby ready for school, and I just ran upstairs to grab her toothbrush, her toothpaste, and her little flosser. But I remembered that we do actually have a package from AutoBrush of their brand new products that I've been waiting to let Abby unbox. So I think that we're gonna unbox them today and then let her use them. And then when Liam wakes up a little bit later, we'll let him unbox his too. Good morning! So Abby's been using Ziggy the Zebra for over a year now, and it is just about time for a little upgrade. So when AutoBrush reached out and wanted to send over their brand new products, I decided that we were going to get different animals than we did last time. Abby, like I already mentioned, has Ziggy the Zebra. Liam has the little hippo, and so we got Abby the monkey. You ready to unbox this?
I'm ready.
All right, ready, set, go. Yeah, so one of the new features of the unboxing process of their new products is that the kids products actually make this little cute sound, and on the top of the box it just says, "Hey, cool kid." And then inside the package we have the toothbrush, the charging station, the wall cube, and the charger cord. You want to get it all out? At the bottom of the box there's the cutest little graphic of all the little animals using their own little toothbrushes. And they even included a little calendar so that you can keep track of your child using their toothbrush in the morning and at night. And it came with a set of stickers. All right, so Liam just woke up this morning and we are about to unbox his new little toothbrush. So who did you get?
Lion.
Liam is actually now gonna have the little lion. He used to have the little hippo. Are you ready to open it?
Yeah. Where's that noise coming from?
It's your box.
Lion. And this box.
What is this for?
Charging it?
Yeah.
A charger.
You can't put it on until you brush your teeth though.
Oh. Yeah.
All right, so I gathered all of our little AutoBrush for Kids supplies into this box. I have our old ones, our new ones, and I just wanted to share a little bit about the differences with the new products, the different settings that are included, some of the different accessories and things, and just overall, just a little bit more about like what's in the box, even though I just showed you the unboxing. So this is the eco-friendly packaging that they're now using, and I really appreciate the efforts to be more eco-friendly. Obviously, that's so incredibly important. The little charging stand is now a little jungle theme, and it has the perfect little shape, and it makes it a lot easier for kids to be able to really sit it in there perfectly. And the charger is like magnetic. Like I already mentioned, the technology behind AutoBrush I'm so impressed by, but it's like a little magnet charger. It sits completely flat, and they look so cute in the kids' bathroom. It's like having like decor, but it's really their toothbrushes. It's so fun. So anyway, I did want to go ahead and pull out the little packet that comes inside of your box. It has a lot of information in there, and we have been using the products and trying to like try out all of the different settings and things and the different features that are now with the new models. This is Liam's old model. This is Liam's new model. This one just has one simple button that you press. It turns on, it plays music, and the red light comes on. And now with this new model, there is actually 4 buttons total. So you're gonna press the power button to activate AutoBrush and select between the different features. So you can select your preferred cleaning mode, light mode, and adjust the timer. And then you're gonna press the power button again to begin use and start brushing. So there's different cleaning modes. There's a care mode, a cleaning mode, and a massage mode. There is different light modes. You have a dual purple, a blue hygienic, or a red therapeutic. They are all LED lights. And then for the timer, you have 30 seconds with the song, 60 seconds with the song, or 60 seconds without a song. Okay, so now that we've shown you all the little features and everything, we're gonna show you it in action with Liam. Are you ready to brush your teeth?
Yeah.
Do you like brushing your teeth?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is it so much fun?
Yeah. I'm gonna earn a sticker.
You're gonna earn a sticker. All right, let's go brush your teeth. And just a reminder that no toothbrush actually replaces flossing. So we're gonna be using our AutoBrush for Kids dental flossers in the strawberry flavor. Do you want yellow, blue, or green?
Blue.
I just wanted to highlight some of the features that makes the AutoBrush so much more desirable over their regular electric toothbrush and why we only use it as a backup and not as like a typical tool. So for one, anytime Liam uses this, we do have to help him 100%. We have to physically put it in our hand and help him brush some of like the more hard to reach places. He typically just brushes a little tiny bit and then kind of wants to be done. Whereas with the AutoBrush for Kids, the tray actually fits his entire mouth. So it brushes all of his teeth at once in 30 to 60 seconds. So we love that. And obviously this electric toothbrush takes batteries, whereas the AutoBrush for Kids is actually rechargeable and it has the cutest little charging station. As you just saw, it obviously lights up, it plays music. There's so many like exciting features to this over just a regular boring electric toothbrush that makes a kind of awful sound when it's on. What is that? It kind of sounds like a drill or something. It sounds like some sort of power tool, whereas this is like the cutest thing ever. Is that cool? Do you like it? You're gonna have one of these soon when you have little teethers. And then I love that the new AutoBrush model actually has a feature to turn off the music in case maybe it's just like too overstimulating to have it on. That's now an option, which is really awesome. So anyway, that is some of my favorite things about the AutoBrush compared to like a traditional toothbrush. And then also with toothpaste, we definitely prefer the AutoBrush toothpaste. So this is the one that we use when we use the traditional toothbrush. It is just a natural strawberry flavor, fluoride free. But with the AutoBrush for Kids, it's actually a foaming toothpaste. It's vegan, non-GMO, fluoride-free, gluten-free, and it is also the strawberry flavor. So we absolutely love the foaming toothpaste. So anyway, that is what I wanted to share with you today about AutoBrush for Kids. And I'm really excited to be sharing their products with you guys in hopes that it's going to help somebody out there who also has a difficult time with their kids in their oral hygiene, or maybe an individual with a disability who this could be a super exciting tool for to really make a breakthrough with independence.